Okay, I'm still working on the audio here. Uh, this is test video number 2 for the only one. Still trying to figure out the audio. I noticed I turned the volume down rather than just the music. So first thing I'm gonna do is try to just adjust the music. And I'm gonna try very hard to hold this right in front of me and see if that helps. And I can't change the volume on the music. Well, I'll try turning the music off and just see what difference that makes, but I'm not going to be playing these with the music off. So, that's too bad. um, Okay. Trying very hard to hold the phone right in front of me. And I'm sitting in maybe not the best position right now. I'll try a different position again. There's only so much I could do with this phone, so I'm doing everything I can to make this work, because I really enjoy this. And I'm thinking I'm gonna post these little test videos. I might not be doing this for every game, but I'm just learning how to do this. But I think it's important for people to see the process of tweaking things and figuring out what went wrong. I don't have editing software. I might look into that in the future though. But even really little things like this, there's a mic kind of next to my thumb, and I think that's part of it. Maybe I'm gonna drag my hands down a little bit and be very careful not to cover the speaker. And oh no. Crap. The volume on the phone itself also will affect the recording. There. It will affect the volume of the recording. I have a feeling that vertical games will work a little bit better than horizontal games, because my speaker right now is on my left-hand side. I tend to look on the right side for some reason. Also, I need to practice enunciating and talking louder. The next time I'll be playing either Dragon Ball Legends or Dead Shell, probably Dead Shell, and I'll be playing in a different position, so maybe I'll sound a little bit, I'll have a sound. Well, this is a test video. I'm gonna post these. I'm gonna keep these for reference, but I'd like other people to see these who are thinking about starting YouTube or something, especially if they're wanting to do this on their phone and using Google Play, or it's not Google Play, it's Play Games or something, to record this. And it's on a Samsung phone, and I'm not sure what version of it. I want to say it's the 8th version of it or something. So yeah, hopefully we'll keep improving on this, and see what happens the next game I play. The next game I play, I think, will be a vertical screen though, so I'll be able to talk. I've turned it vertically now, which is why I fell over. And I have a feeling that my voice will reach the mic more easily, and I won't have my thumb blocking, because like right now my thumb, you see, is in front of the mic, and now it's not, so maybe that makes a difference. This is test number 2 for only one, and that's that. Bye.